How to fasten a seatbelt properly. 5 steps. Sit firmly on the seat. Ensure your back is fully against the seat back and you are in a comfortable position. Grab the belt and pull it out. Hold the seatbelt buckle and pull the belt out smoothly, ensuring it is not twisted. Position the belt correctly over your body. Place the shoulder strap across your shoulder and chest, avoiding your neck. Position the lap belt snugly across your hips, not your stomach. Insert the buckle. Push the metal end of the seatbelt into the latch until you hear a click. Make sure it is securely fastened. Adjust the belt for comfort and safety. Tighten the belt so it fits snugly but comfortably, and check that it is neither loose nor twisted.